You're now logged into our server where the artificial intelligence is running 24/7. To help you with your deposit, I will now fund the trading account I just opened like you did. All right, so I'm going to start by logging into the server with my email address and password. Okay, go ahead and click Login. Now, as you can see here, I'm logged into the server as well as I'm prompted to fund my account before I can do anything else. So, as you can see, I need to enter personal details and payment details of my credit card. All right, great. Now, as I entered all the required forms for the deposit, all I have to do now is click on Deposit. Now, as you can see, my payment is being processed, and it'll take some time for my deposit to show up in my account balance. Nice! As you can see, my payment was successful, and my account balance has been updated. So, now comes the really easy part, the artificial intelligence software itself. Now, Benji has put some great effort into this page, changing it over and over again until it was perfect. And to Benji, it's only perfect when it's logical, easy to understand, and working on all devices. As you can see, the software isn't yet activated. I have to do so myself. Simply click Enable to turn on the software and Disable to turn it back off. Now, usually members will not turn it off, but just in case you've got some valid reasons to do so, you can. Let me start by enabling the software right now. All right, so as you can see, the software is now running and will calculate every trade the software is able to win. It may look like nothing happens, but it simply passes every trade where it's not sure whether you'll win or lose. Once the software has found a trade it's certain to win, it will place a bet on your behalf. The amount the software is using to trade can be adjusted here. Okay, so the default is $25 per trade, and you're not able to go any lower than $25 per trade, but you can increase it up to any amount you feel comfortable with. So as the software is running, you can simply log off and come back later. The software will keep running even while you're logged off. So go to bed, get groceries, or go to work for the last time. When you get back, you've made thousands of dollars in profit, and you should be able to quit your job and hire someone to get your groceries. Okay, so I'm going to log off now as well and come back within a few hours for the results. Okay, hi again. So I've been away for about 7 hours and I'm a bit excited to see what profits the software has made me so far. Let me start by logging in again. Whoa! Wow, what did I tell you? This software is incomparable to anything out there. My account balance has risen from the tiny $500 investment I just made to a mind-blowing $17,106.25 within just a few hours. This could have been your account too. So start right now. Make your tiny investment now and rake in huge piles of profit within a few hours. Fund your account and start profiting like we all do. Enjoy complete freedom today. Deposit now and let's get started.